My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Angel don't launch her a merch wey be say they call no find my mouth too, and she don't come out to come post baby bump picture. And also Tasha hosting a house party for some of her close party dem for the Big Brother Naija industry don't cause reaction for online. Of recent, Angel come out come launch this her merch wey be say bin no find my mouth. As we all know, that na her slogan when she dey inside the Big Brother Naija All Stars mansion. So when she come out, she come say make she use am take produce her brand. I like the way all these housemates, most of them when they come outside, the regular slogan wey they talk for inside the house, they'll use am take make something profitable to themselves, like the likes of Efe, based on logistics. Dorothy go say with my full chest, those ones they use and take do something meaningful with their life. So this na her page. If you are interested, you can go there, order for what you want for that side. So she post those, as she advertise her product finish, she come advertise her own belle again, baby bump. I don't know whether na really pregnancy be this, or maybe she overfeed herself, but the way she take keep face, I don't know whether that girl her head don correct sometimes. So immediately she post this particular picture of her baby bump, I mean her food bump. Her mama come out come appreciate her publicly. So the mom come out come say, to my daughter, for all the things my hand have heard, the best by far is you. You gave me hope when times were tough, and yet you never knew. So I thank you, my daughter, for saving me and loving me to this day. Remember how precious you are, and that my love will never fade. I will always be by your side in times of hurt and tears. I just need you to know how important you are, for you have been my rock through so many years. Love, mom. If you check the up, you go see the name Titi Lai Brown Sugar. Na mama name na Titi. So Angel come respond to the mom, come say, I love you, my sunshine, I love you too. I so much admire Angel and her mom relationship. The mom they always dey supportive of any decision wey be say Angel make, despite the bashing, the insult wey be say Angel dey get on a regular for online from BBN fans. The thing not still stop a mother's love. So na really baby born be that wey be say she dey flaunt for us, dey bend face for us. I'm so happy for her. And Suma, Biggie go get another grandchild very soon. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, help me subscribe, like this video, drop your comments for the comment section below, and help me share this video. Una thank you. So of recent, Tasha invites some of her friends for game night. She invites them go her house and make them just dey there, have fun, play game, and eat and drink, because food and refreshment go must still dey. So she can't drop the video. We can't see different people for there. We see the likes of Groovy, we see the likes of Phyna, we see Ike, the Chaos King, Boy Spice dey there, Yvonne from BB Titan, just her very close pals. Now she invite come her house. So as people see am, everybody just concentrate on the Groovy and Phyna matter. But why some people they concentrate on Groovy and Phyna matter, others they concentrate on the fact say Tasha na advocate for peace. Contrary on the way Tasha they put herself for outside, you go feel say the girl na troublemaker, but she bringing all these housemates together just shows say this girl, she not be really the way we see her for online. So make I just read some of the comments where we say people make after this video come out. So immediately they see Groovy and Phyna for the same space, netizens start to the drag her. So the first person can say, so if Groovy na your brother, you will allow him date that thing with lousy shinking character, God no go agree. Groovy deserves a well-cultured girl, abeg. First of all, Groovy, me I dey always talk am with my full chest, say Groovy, I not consider Groovy a man. Person wey be say no fit make decision for himself. Wetin you wan call that kind of person? On the other hand, Phyna fit dey behave the way she dey behave online like that, but what if for real life the girl, when it comes to relationship, because you no get mumu button, what if when it comes to relationship the girl really wan learn, Like love they calm people down, so not think am. So another person gonna say the way Fifi has been talking nicely about Groovy, I knew they have actually settled their beef. They can still be friends, no negative energy. And I love the fact that Phyna doesn't keep grudges in her heart. She's only good at shouting, but it nourish her mind. I go somehow concur with this person because I remember when Beauty did her birthday, the way Phyna take wish her happy birthday, it really shocked me, honestly. Even though say Beauty not answer her, the thing shocked me. And even as Groovy even unfollow Phyna, the way their two relationship they scatter immediately after the reunion, those type of thing. You see the girl, she'd advocate for Groovy music, she dey push am forward, So now most times these housemates they are not really fighting themselves. Now their fans just they carry the whole bus for their head. Most of them they get along with each other for real life. If not even for friendship purpose, they cordial to each other for real life. So the next person can say you all trying to ship my mommy's boy with that disgrace of a girl, e no go better for una. Now you e no go better for. Like Groovy na small pikin where we say they won't force Phyna on top of her. The truth be say Phyna and Groovy shippers, what they call them Groovy. Those people they see they get hope say one day the thing go work out. Me myself, I've said it so many times on my channel here to say to me, I still see some connection between the two of them. Get the yaya wey Phyna dey do online, both of them they don't follow for back, go settle their differences, and na so e suppose be. When social media don dey put eye for your matter, e dey always cause drift between two people wey be say dey close to this. Na so e dey always be. So the last person here can say Groovy and Phyna in the same space. One put laughing emoji. Can say 2024 is a good year of reconciliation. Then everywhere you turn, housemates are reconciling. That's good. Oh, thank God for them. Yes, reconciliation next they suppose even you stay start the year. But what I don't notice, Groovy fans they don't want Phyna at all for Groovy. And I dey wonder say why una feel say una dey privilege to decide who Groovy go want for himself. This video drop, fans don dey accuse Phyna say na she na video the thing, na she tell them say na she video the video so that it go show say she and Groovy dey in good terms. Well, as Tasha don settle Phyna and Groovy, I hope she go help us to settle Phyna and Chichi and Venita and Phyna matter too. And I am happy say Tasha she don start to dey mingle with Big Brother Naija housemates. Before Tasha no dey mingle with them. Since she come out of since they disqualify her from the show, she just keep her distance from all of them. But now she don dey come back together, they try to rapport with them. Well, good for her. Make una tell me if una see any hope for Groovy ship. Will they come back together or they go just remain cordial friends? Una take care, una bye.